Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a glitch text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, go over here to the letter T, which is the type tool, and type in any word of your choice. I am just going to type in the word glitch. Using the selection key, come over here to the side, and when you get this arrow that goes sideways, click and drag to increase the size of your text. Now I am using the Myriad Pro and the font style is set to bold. You can set in any font style of your choice. Now go over here to the object panel, click on it and come here over to expand and also click on it. And when you get this, make sure these two checkboxes are checked, then click on OK. Now you can see that we have anchor points in many places around the text. Now this is because this text has been converted into a vector shape. Now come over here to the opacity panel and set the opacity to 50%, and then go over here to your rectangle tool, click on it and draw a rectangle over the top part of your text and draw another one over the bottom part of your text. Now using the selection key, click on both this rectangle by holding the shift key and selecting both of them, and also set their opacity to 50%. Now select everything and then select your shape builder tool over here, and holding the alternate key on the keyboard, click on the top rectangle over here to delete it. Do the same thing for the bottom rectangle over here, and if you look closely, there is a small section of the rectangle that is still left inside the letter G over here. We don't want this. We have to delete it, or else it is going to become a part of the text and we do not want that, so you have to delete it. Now using still the shape builder tool, click and draw a line over the top part of your text over here. Do the same thing for the middle and the bottom part. Now with everything still selected, come over here to the opacity panel and set the opacity back to 100%. Now select the top part of your text over here and move it to the left side a little bit, just like this, and then select the bottom part too, and then also move it to the left side just a little bit. Now after this is done, select everything here, and by clicking Ctrl G on the keyboard, group this text. You can also do this by clicking Ctrl G on the keyboard, or let me press Ctrl Z to undo the grouping. And if you want to group a text or group a lot of vector shapes, select everything, then right click on it and come over here to group and group it. Now after you've done this, come over here and click on the horizontal align and the vertical align. This sets your text into the middle of the artboard. Now come over here to your rectangle tool and draw a rectangle as equal to the size of the artboard. This is going to be our background. Now come over here, when you see the word fill, double click on it and set the color to any color of your choice. I am going to the color swatches over here and I would like to use yellow, so I've clicked on yellow. Okay, now when you've done this, right click and then come over here to arrange and click on send to back. After you've done this, the yellow rectangle has now moved to the back of our text and it is going to serve as our background. Now we are done, and that is how to make a glitch text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Now if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment sections, and I will try to respond to every one of them. And please subscribe to my channel. Peace.